everyone, welcome back to Emily's Kitchen. Today we will be making pineapple cake, Feng Su. It is a very popular sweet, especially in Taiwan. And traditionally, people just use the pineapple to make this cake. However, nowadays more and more people they try to add the winter melon into the pineapple cake. However, we are making it at home today and I'm only going to use the pure pineapple to make the cake today. To make the pineapple fillings, we need 2 pineapples, rock sugars, and also maltose. To start, we are going to remove the head and the tail of pineapple, remove the skin, remove the eyes of the pineapple, cut it into half, and remove the core. Many people had used the core because of its texture. However, I do not recommend using it. The feedback that I have from my friends and family when I included the core is too rough, even it had been finely shredded. By using a shredder like this, you will be able to get a nice texture of pineapple fillings instead of using a blender. Before we start cooking the pineapple fillings, first we have to squeeze out the pineapple juice. That way it will save your time in cooking the fillings. Squeeze as much as you can and squeeze as hard as you can. The fresh pineapple juice which you can enjoy. Less than 300 grams of pineapple from 2 kilo pineapple. Now you know why they are expensive. Now we can start cooking the pineapple fillings. Under the low heat, add the rock sugar. Maltose itself is really hard. To get it softer, you have to put it into the microwave. Keep toasting the pineapple until it dries out. Look at the fibers of the pineapple. When the pineapple fillings dries out, it will stick together and it's time for us to transfer onto a plate. Let it cool down and leave it in the fridge for 40 minutes. To make the pastry, we need the butter, we need the milk powder, you need an egg as well, I forgot to put an egg here, the sugar, almond milk, if you don't have almond milk you can skip it, and finally all-purpose flour. This is the mold to make the pineapple cake. You can get it online and it fits 30 grams of the pineapple cake. So, I'm going to divide the filling at around 12 grams each. And 18 grams each for the pastry. using our palm to flatten it. Now we can transfer into the oven 160 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the oven and flip to the other side and put it back to the oven again for another 8 to 10 minutes. Hello! Our pineapple cake is now ready. Let's have a try. The pastry outside is so buttery, and the pineapple filling has the combination of the sweetness and the sourness. It makes it so perfect. And fresh pineapple juice, which we squeezed earlier. I have also bought some packages for this Feng Su. I think it's really pretty. Does it look professional? It looks nice, isn't it? This is such a perfect gift to give to your friends and families. Got 2 boxes here. Chinese New Year is just 2 months away, so you have enough and plenty time to practice this at home, and I really hope that you will like this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the episode today which I made for you, the Feng Su pineapple cake. And I will see you again next episode. Bye bye!